Hi, my name is Alexis and I'm an Irish transgender female. I have been documenting my trans journey from social transitioning to medical transitioning, legal transitioning, and now I'm in the process of surgically transitioning. If you'd like to join my journey, you should subscribe or press the bell button. Comment, like and subscribe and all that jazz. Love you and have a great day, my little pandas. Okay, so I just travelled across Ireland, about six and a half hours, 2 trains and a bus and a Lewis, and oh my god, such a long journey. Literally just jumped off the bus and now I'm literally walking to the pharmacy to collect my estradiol. I'm so friggin' excited. It's the longest walk of my friggin' life. So excited. There it is. Oh my god, I swear I better be able to collect it today or I'll cry. Oh my god. I just gotta get to you. Oh my god. Oh! So, this is my 1 month update on estrogen. 2 month update on estrogen. So, it's been 3 months on estrogen now. Yesterday marked 4 months on estrogen. 6 months since I've been on estrogen, which is half a friggin' year. It's been 7 months since I started the estrogen. Let's get into it. So, it's been 10, oh my dear lord, it's been 10 months since I've been on estrogen. Hello all my little pandas. It is now the 11th month of my estrogen journey. So this is 12 months a year, oh my dear lord. So it's been a year on hormones, so I thought I'd update you all on this landmark date. I have some extensions in today. Bit of blonde, bit of black, bit of everything. Yeah, so oh my dear lord. It's been a while, but geez, it's difficult updating this channel all the time. My life is hectic, isn't everyone's, but I basically said that I'm going to do a quick update. So, things definitely slow down in the 12th month. The slow down generally when you're getting close to a year, and what I've watched in a lot of videos online, it definitely does that for a while. So basically, I'm guessing after a year, things are going to slow down even more dramatically. It's just the way it works. But right now, mentally, I'm in a good place. I don't hate my body. I don't have body dysphoria as bad as I did at the start. Still a lot of bottom dysphoria. I cannot friggin' wait to have bottom surgery. I'm definitely getting it and I am literally thinking about it every friggin' day. I want it so bad. FFS, still determined to get that. Yes, I'm considering taking out a loan just so I can do it because it's something I really want and it's something I haven't forgotten about. Basically, it's been a few months since I went public with an FFS fundraising campaign online, but I haven't forgotten. It's something I really want. It wasn't just something I wanted back in the day. It's something I really want still to this day. Yeah, changes. So, le boobies. They're doing their thing. Definitely haven't grown since 10 months. It's now over a year. And they've made it to... Is an A.5 a thing? Haven't got them measured yet. I still say that I don't do that because I don't think I will. I'm too shy like that to do that. Only the lucky few get to see these girls. Anyways, my face definitely. No matter how dysphoric I get, I can't deny how much my face has changed, but at the same time I'm wearing makeup today, and as we know, makeup is a miracle product that can change any feature. But basically, when I don't have my makeup on, I don't feel too bad about it, but at the same time I'm determined to get FFS because I've done certain things with my makeup today to make me less dysphoric. So that's the thing. Hips, I bought myself a new pair of trousers recently. Oh, look at this, the bum. It flaunts my derriere a bit more, and it really does. It makes me feel a lot better. They fit in all the right places. My voice, there's always going to be haters out there. They're going to say, your voice hasn't changed, you still like a boy, you still sound like a boy. Whatever, I don't. To me, I'm kind of happy with my voice. So yeah, I can always keep working at it, but right now it's not the worst. It's not the best, but it's something I'm comfortable with. I love playing with my hair. My natural hair is down to here, but I'm wearing extensions on it because I friggin' wanna. Okay, so basically I am Alexis's Trans-ition. If you're new to my face, hi. I'm Alexis. I'm a trans girl on the YouTubes. I know, isn't that so different? No one does that, ever. But I'm one of those. So if you're new to my face, I'm Irish, I have an Irish accent, some people like that. I don't know why I put on an American accent. But welcome to my face. If you were to like my face enough to want to see it and be interested in seeing how my face gets on, you should subscribe. But definitely the bell button, because as I said in many videos before, and many other subscribers have said, YouTube is broken, and I need to get over 1,000 subscribers in the next week. So that's 15 subscribers, or YouTube is just going to mess up my life. And I have dedicated a lot of time to this channel, and previous years I've actually been on YouTube for 5.5 years. Oh, plot twist! Yeah, I've actually been on, but I deleted my old channel just before I came out, because I just got to a point where I was like, I have to be me, and I decided to delete all the content. So that was like 105 videos. But anyways, as I was saying, I have been on here long enough, and now YouTube is deciding that I finally nearly got to 1,000. They're now deciding that they're going to make it impossible for me to be a YouTuber in the next week. If I don't get 15 subscribers, I need 1,000. So if you like my face, you should subscribe to it. If not my face, my boobs. So shout out to Jake, Jamie, Matthew, Harry, Lily, Taryn, Torn, Laura with a H, and Tara, and Stitch, and Stephanie. Okay, no more shout outs. Thank you very much for watching, and I love your face. You are all amazing pandas. Thank you every panda that has joined. If you join this cult, you then become a panda. I'm sorry, you just automatically become a panda. The ears just start growing out. It's just how it works. So so join the cult and become a fun little panda. Right, so basically, thank you so much guys for watching over the last year. If you're one of the people that have been watching before I even got hormones, you're beautiful. You're amazing. And yeah, start a chat below, and we'll have a gangle. A gangle, is that even a word? It means a chat. Let's have a chat. All the love, Alexis.